This is a 565mm stainless steel impeller, where the supplied blank is turned into shape. The main processing features include 42 blades and flow paths, with a requirement for a dynamic balance level of G2.5, using the JingDiao MRU600, a precision 5-axis high-speed machining center with excellent dynamic performance. We can achieve high-precision 5-axis simultaneous machining of the impeller. In addition, it can precisely and efficiently execute the machining process, ensuring that all stages of stainless steel material, from roughing to finishing, have stable and controllable tool wear. Adopting dynamic involute machining and 5-axis simultaneous point milling, it took 70 hours to complete all the feature machining of the 565mm stainless steel impeller, with a blade profile deviation of less than 0.06 millimeters. The blade surface roughnesses are a 0.8 micrometers, and the dynamic balance level can reach G2.5. Next, let's witness how MRU600 achieves precise and efficient machining of the 565mm stainless steel impeller.